Hi, this is Celine here, coming to you with the second part video to the first one about the Luvme hair. I wanted to tell you that this is the 16, 18, and 20 first off, and that the hair is very long. It can be colored, bleached, and dyed. I used the bleach bath method. I also added color to this, a reddish color, to get this tone that I have right now, like a cherry cola color. This is good hair. It is more of a curly texture than it is deep wave, so it does kind of snag. It is lightweight, and you can barely feel it on your head. I meant to say, you cannot just sit here and run your fingers through it. That is not what this kind of hair is, because it's more of a curly texture than it is deep wave. Okay, and that's the con. The only cons that I have about that is that it does kind of, tangle here in the back, which most curly hair will do, and curly hair does tend to clump together. But it is very soft. It is manageable. It does not just mat up where it balls up in the back of your hair, and you have this big bird's nest going on that isn't happening. You can't spray it. Camera thing don't want to act right here. And you see, that's what it looks like. It's going to curl right back up. The other con that I have is that the layers are a bit disjointed. I think that their 16-inch should be created longer, just like the 18 and 20. What I was saying in the other video is that the 18 and 20 are much longer than the 18 and 20 inch. So the 16-inch is a 17.5-inch, almost 18, and it seems to be shorter than the other. I measured every one, so I know exactly how long they are. But if you took this down and put it back here, it would more or less be an 18-inch, and you would be able to tell. But because it looks so much shorter than the ones on top, it makes it look shorter, and it's not. It also, the curl pattern is more tighter than the longer lengths are. And like I said, it says deep wave hair, but it is more of a curly texture. So be prepared for that. It is more work. You are going to have to get up and do things to it. You're not going to be able to just, you can fly and go, but I wouldn't suggest it. I would suggest spraying it down with some water and conditioner or whatever, or just regular water, because that's all that I have in that bottle. And you'll be good to go. But as far as anything else, if you have any more questions to ask, please ask me. Like, comment, and subscribe. And please, I need the likes. I need you guys to watch my videos and everything. And I do appreciate every last one of my subscribers. So thank you. And until next time, I'll see you again.